Hi everyone, today we're going to be putting in some roof racks. Probably not the usual way, but we're going to use Unistrut, and we were able to get a hold of some aluminium Unistrut. So yeah, should come up quite a treat, hopefully. Anyway, let's go and try and remove one of these grommets. Okay, as you can see, the heat gun actually took the plastic grommet out quite easy. So I've done two this side, as you can see, and just down there, it's a bit difficult with the ladder, and two down there. I'm probably just gonna make four, and I'll probably just pick maybe this one in the middle here. That will give us five, and I think five holding a rack on is okay. Some people have done four. I don't see by doing any more would add any more strength, so I'd rather have less chance of leak rather than risk it. Not confident in my work, but anyway, we'll see how it goes. Karen's marking the centre of the Unistrut so we can drill a hole. Just a little dot, Karen. Over here, this one too. Karen's marking it. I'll give you a bit of a closer shot. Yeah, that's it. Perfect. And one more here. I think there's two more. Oh yeah, two more. That's it. And one more there. The reason why we're doing it from underneath is the Unistrut that we bought didn't have any holes in it. They had run out of it, and we're finding purchasing things for the van, especially timber and stuff, a really big shortage supply. So I had to take what they had in the way of the Unistrut without the holes. So I guess in a way it's probably a lot easier because I don't have to line up the holes with the holes in the van. So, but might be a win. I'll let you know.
At the moment we're going to be drilling a hole in the Unistrut here so as we can connect it up to the roof. Pauline, you can do that.
Helps if Pauline puts a drill bit in straight. now?
Just finished filing off the end piece here to make it a little bit more tidier. I've got this easy strut end piece to put on the end. It'll just fit in there. It makes it a little bit more tidier on the end. It just clips in like that, and that's done. Let's hope it's easier to stick the struts up on top of the roof. Pauline.
Yeah, I got the feeling this is the easy bit.
I think so.
Okay, what we've got here is some sticky sort of bonding, like butyl tape, which we're going to use to just maybe build up a sort of like a more waterproof membrane so it doesn't leak in the van, hopefully. So what I'll do is I'll cut it into nice square sections, build it up to probably the height of, or a bit higher actually, so we can compress the Unistrut down, and we'll build it up to the height of probably this ridge here, so it's just reasonably even. So I'll cut them into little square sections, and we'll see if that's big enough. Yeah, probably big enough. Got plenty of it, so I'm not too worried if I go through a bit. And we'll just do enough for this hole, because if I do this you'll get the gist that I don't need to show you every hole. Now I've cleaned it, as you've seen, with white spirit, so there should be no dirt or anything on there at the moment. And the plan is to, it's really sticky, is to stick it over the hole like that. Press it down, and then take another one. Oh golly. Let's go. Nice music. We'll do it like that, and then we can punch the bolt through the aluminium Unistrut, through the hole and through this at the same time, and we should have a nice bond. And then I plan to use Stickerflex 221. I chose this because it's an adhesive and a sealant, so I'll probably seal the top of the bolt so no water will definitely give it a good bead around the top, and that hopefully will seal it. Okay, just cleaning the tops of the bolts with some white spirits, and then to Stickerflex the tops of them. Seal it. And a really handy tip is this dishwashing liquid and water, and just put it on your finger, and the Stickerflex doesn't stick to your fingers. Absolute brilliant idea. Just patting it down around the bolt so no chance of leaking through. And voila, done. And this side is done. Fingers crossed that the next side goes just as well. As you can see, we've completed the Unistrut. and tested it with some water, and we're very fortunate we don't have any leaks. It was a very easy project. Yeah, so don't hesitate if you want to have a go. Catch you on the next one. Hi everyone, today we're going to be working on installing some roof racks. We're going to go the cheaper option and put in some aluminium Unistrut. But before we could actually put it to the van, we need to take out the plastic rubber grommets that Mercedes Sprinters have, so we can bolt them, bolt the bolts through. So, been